Dear friends, with many years of experience in beauty care and nutrition, I've had the chance to meet countless clients, most of them women over 40, who share the same concern. Why does my skin age so quickly even though I take care of it every day? And why do some people use expensive skincare products yet still end up with dry, wrinkled, and dull skin, while others only need a few simple ingredients to have fresh, glowing skin? As someone who specializes in skin and nutrition, I understand this deeply. Once we reach our 40s, our skin no longer functions like it did in our 20s. Everything slows down, from blood circulation beneath the skin, cell regeneration, to the skin's ability to produce collagen and retain moisture. On top of that, stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and work pressure further dry out the skin, make it dull, and gradually reduce its natural elasticity. And at that point, external beauty treatments alone are no longer enough. That's why today, I want to invite you to explore a much simpler yet surprisingly effective skincare method, when applied correctly. It's not a new trick, but rather an ancient foundation supported by both Eastern medicine and modern science for its safety and ability to soothe and renew the skin. I'm talking about rice flour masks. Rice flour may not be a miracle ingredient, but when combined properly with things like milk and honey, and used at the right time, for the right skin condition, it becomes a natural nutrient-rich mask that can help repair damaged skin, brighten your complexion, soften fine lines, and deeply hydrate dry, tired areas. In this video, from both a professional and personal perspective, I'll not only show you how to make a rice flour mask but also explain why our skin sometimes ages faster than expected, the hidden causes we often overlook, and how to care for your skin in a scientific, simple, and effective way, so you won't end up wasting money and damaging your skin, like so many others have. Please stay with me until the end of the video, because once you understand what your skin truly needs, you'll realize a bit of rice flour might just be the beginning of a healthier, more radiant, and more balanced complexion. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so I can keep sharing valuable insights, not just from professional experience, but also through real-life and science-backed perspectives. Wishing you great health, a glowing complexion, a strong body, and a calm, peaceful heart. Now, let's begin. My dear friends, this recipe only requires 3 ingredients: rice flour, unsweetened milk, and a little honey. All of them are easy to find, gentle on the skin, and when blended together, they offer surprisingly effective results for brightening, softening, and reducing fine lines. I use 2 teaspoons of finely ground white rice flour. Rice flour is rich in B vitamins, vitamin E and zinc, all of which nourish skin cells and help restore damaged, dry, or thin skin. After using it a few times correctly, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, brighter, and healthier, without needing harsh bleaches or excessive products. It also gently exfoliates dead skin cells without irritation, making it perfect for mature or aging skin. Next, I add 2 teaspoons of unsweetened milk. Milk contains natural lactic acid, which helps brighten the skin and support new cell growth. Its fats and vitamin D provide gentle moisture, leaving the skin soft, hydrated, and less prone to tightness, especially during seasonal changes or after sleepless nights. Milk also acts as a natural binder, keeping the rice flour smooth and easy to apply. Finally, I mix in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey is nature's miracle, not only moisturizing, it's also a powerful antioxidant that soothes irritated areas and softens small wrinkles. If you're sensitive to honey, you can substitute it with fresh aloe vera gel, which provides a calming, cooling effect. Once combined, you'll get a light, smooth paste that's easy to apply and absorbs well. Used 2 to 3 times a week, this mask helps your skin gradually soften, reduce dark spots, tighten areas like the cheeks and under eyes, and create an even skin tone. Fine lines, those most visible signs of aging, can naturally fade thanks to the mask's hydrating and cell-renewing properties. However, a quick note of caution: even though this is a gentle, natural mask, if your skin is currently inflamed, severely damaged, has red acne, or recently went through laser or microneedling treatments, it's best to pause and let your skin rest first. Remember, anti-aging isn't about fighting time, it's about learning to love yourself in the right way. At the right time, when you listen to your skin and understand where it's tired or lacking. Even a little rice flour, a little milk, and a touch of honey can comfort and rejuvenate it. You don't have to change everything, just the way you see it, and beauty will quietly return in its own gentle, authentic way. Now that you've discovered the nourishing rice flour mask, I'd love to share another method, even simpler and gentler, yet just as effective when done consistently. It's rice water, something we often discard. But in fact, it's been a natural toner for generations. Back in the day, our mothers and grandmothers used it to keep their skin soft, smooth, and glowing, all without cosmetics. Rice water is the milky liquid left after rinsing rice. It's full of B vitamins, a bit of vitamin E, iron, magnesium, and a fine layer of starch that becomes visible after resting. The key, though, is knowing what part to keep and what to throw away. Always discard the first rinse; it contains dirt, dust, and impurities on the rice surface. Only keep the second rinse, which is cleaner and richer in nutrients. Pour it into a clean ceramic or glass bowl, cover it, and let it sit undisturbed for 6 to 8 hours. It will naturally separate into 2 layers, a light, clear liquid on top, and a creamy starch at the bottom. You can use the top clear liquid to wash your face in the morning or pat it on gently like toner after cleansing. But the most valuable part is the bottom starch layer. That's the rice essence, ideal for softening the skin, tightening pores, and brightening complexion over time. Here's how to use it. Each night before bed, after cleansing and while your skin is still slightly damp, take a bit of the starch and gently apply it using a cotton pad or clean fingers, focusing on dull, wrinkle-prone areas like the cheeks, around the mouth, and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to dry naturally, or overnight if your skin isn't too sensitive. Rice water works best for oily, combination, or normal skin, as it gently balances oil, soothes irritation, and doesn't clog pores. For sensitive skin, always test a small area first. Some people might feel a mild tingling from the natural starch. If your skin is inflamed, red, or undergoing treatment, give it time to heal before using this method. In the end, true beauty isn't just on the surface. When you treat your skin kindly, with simple, natural care, it responds in the most beautiful way. What I truly want to emphasize is this: beauty doesn't always come from expensive cosmetics. Sometimes, all it takes is patience, a true understanding of your own skin, and the ability to embrace the simple things around you, and your skin will gradually restore its natural glow and strength. Rice water may seem humble, but if you use it consistently, a little in the morning, a little at night, within just a few weeks, you'll begin to feel your skin becoming smoother, more even-toned, and especially, much calmer. Personally, I don't expect my skin to be porcelain white or as plump as it was in my 20s. I only wish for it to be gently cared for, naturally clean, and healthy enough to walk with me through the years. Taking care of your skin is also a way of caring for your spirit. When we appreciate our bodies, we naturally love ourselves more, and live with more peace in our hearts. Dear friends, skincare isn't just about what we put on the outside, it's also a quiet journey that begins within. Many people keep trying different creams, masks, and serums, yet their skin remains dry, dull, and easily wrinkled, without understanding why. Have you ever wondered the same? The truth is, our skin reflects our internal health. If the liver is struggling, acne becomes more common. When the kidneys are weak, the skin becomes dull and sunken. When we're dehydrated, wrinkles and roughness show up faster. So, if we truly want healthy, glowing skin, we must start from the inside out. It doesn't require anything fancy, just the right habits. Knowing what to drink and what to avoid can nourish your skin naturally and sustainably. Today, I'd like to share 3 very familiar drinks that, when consumed regularly, can help brighten the skin, soften it, and slow the signs of aging. First is Gotu Kola water, made from a humble plant that's a true gift for the liver, blood, and skin. Gotu Kola has a cooling nature. It helps cleanse the liver, soothe mild inflammation, reduce internal heat, and prevent acne. Just 1 glass a day, made from fresh Gotu Kola, or dried and steeped like tea, is light, easy to digest, and leaves your skin feeling fresher and less irritated. Second is toasted rice water. All you need is a handful of white rice. Dry roast it until golden and fragrant. Then steep it in hot water and let it cool. You can sip it throughout the day. Toasted rice water gently brightens the skin, supports digestion, eases stress, and is especially good for those who struggle with sleep. And when your body sleeps well and your nervous system rests, your skin will be able to repair itself more deeply at night. It's a gentle, affordable way to care for your skin from the inside. Third is chamomile tea, a calming drink that relaxes the nerves, reduces stress, offers mild anti-inflammatory benefits, and helps slow aging. Simply steep some dried chamomile flowers in warm water about an hour before bed. Not only does it brighten the skin, but it also soothes the mind and brings peaceful sleep. And as you probably know, getting enough sleep is one of the best ways to rejuvenate your skin. Far beyond what any cream can offer. But alongside what we should drink, I also want to gently remind you of a few drinks to avoid, because what we consume every day, often without realizing, may be quietly accelerating skin aging. The first is carbonated soft drinks. They're packed with sugar and can break down collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. Over time, frequent consumption makes skin saggy and less resilient. Next is coffee. It's not forbidden, but too much can dehydrate your skin, cause discoloration, and speed up aging. If you often stay up late and rely on coffee to stay awake, your skin will soon reveal that through dark circles, fine lines, and a persistent feeling of dryness. And finally, cold beverages, especially in the morning or right after meals. Cold drinks cause sudden blood vessel constriction, disrupt circulation under the skin, and can leave the complexion looking pale and tired. Instead, choose warm or room temperature water. It's much better absorbed by your body and skin. Friends, true beauty doesn't lie in the creams we apply, but in how we love and nurture ourselves from within. When the liver is relaxed, the kidneys are balanced, and the blood flows well, the skin naturally glows with health. And when we treat ourselves gently, our skin responds with the same tenderness. I hope after watching this video, you'll choose one of these gentle drinks and maintain it daily, not for anyone else, but for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Chan Lee Song, so I can continue sharing more meaningful and simple truths like these with you. Wishing you vibrant health, beautiful skin, and peaceful days ahead.